Hi everybody, this is Carolyn. I just filmed this video, and then when I got ready to take my mic off, I noticed that it had gone off somewhere in the video. So I watched the complete video back, and so it's like midnight now. So I I could edit that video, but you're not going to see the ending of it. There's nothing there. There's no sound at all because I had the mic on, but it had died. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this book that I used. Is the Blue Gold Symphony. I opened a new Archer and Olive notebook to use. This will be one that, if all goes right, it'll go to the hospital. And so I started this one, and like I said, I just used this book. I had some script tape. It had some Oriental writing in it. I don't know where I got it from. I get a lot of things from Journal Say. That would be one of the places I would look. It's like poetry down it. The stencils I used are the ones that I got off of Amazon. These frames that I used, I got from Journal Say. Also, the tape, the blue came from Journal Say, and the thin tape came from Amazon. So I just put in a frame and cut it out. So you can see the dress on this side, like she was, kind of looking up at it, maybe, or dreaming about it. These two girls, this one laying down reading a book. Her, she's just sitting out here having herself a little snack. And there's something about a hammock or a swing. If I see one, I like to use it. And it says Family Life. Let me get my glasses so I can read it. Family Life. Home is a place where I can truly be myself, unwind after a long day, and feel completely at ease. Just cut some little flowers here. I had a different idea. I was going to put the script on the back as well, but then I didn't want to tear it, and I didn't allow the space there. I guess I could have done another door, but then again, you would have lost some of that. So I just went with, there was some florals in that book, and there was one sheet, and so I just decided to put them there, add a few here and there. I think I could put one right there, and just pieced them in there. So I did go through the process of filming it for you, but I'm sorry. I have two of these microphones, and I guess that I picked up the one that was not charged, and it all the way anyway, and it didn't quite make it. So I hope you like this. I think it's really pretty. It's very simple, but I thought it turned out pretty anyway. So I hope you all have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Take care of you. Bye.